girls. So this is on the Pythagorean theorem today. This is R1, Pythagorean theorem, find the hypotenuse. And remember from Khan Academy and from watching different videos I have, that the hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle. And that the formula for Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. All right, so what that exactly means is that you're going to take A, which is one of your legs of the triangle, B, the other leg of your triangle. You're going to square that. So you're going to take 12 squared, and then we're going to take 16 squared, and you're going to add them together. So what? So you can get 144 plus, and then you're going to do 16 squared. Now remember, you can do this by either using the list of squares that I provide you, or you can just take your calculator and you can do 16 times 16. Okay? So, let me just make sure I'm ready here. Remember, earlier in the year, some of you guys may have memorized this. We had those listed squares that were up on the wall. Okay, but let me just take the average. So we got 256. I add those two together. All right, that's going to end up being 400. And you take, now this is the part that's kind of new to you. So in order for me to figure out basically what c squared actually is you have to take what's called the square root of 400. Now we've done this before in class. So once you get your answer where you add up your two square things together, then you're going to take the square root of that number, and if you know, you can either use your calculator for it, or you would know that the square root of 400 is 20. Okay, there you go. Maybe you can use a calculator. I'll help you out. All right, so now next question here. Now at one point you're going to notice patterns, especially Khan Academy talks about the Pythagorean triples. All right, you're going to notice patterns, but if you don't really notice the patterns, you can just keep doing the same method where we know we have A and B. We're going to have to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? So now we know this is 9 plus 16, and 9 plus 16 is 25. And the last thing you want to do is you take that c, that 25, and now you're going to take the square root of 25, which is going to be 5. Okay, and again, rely on that list I provide you. All right, next I'm going to jump a level. Okay, so let's jump a level. Now, if you notice, things aren't really going to change too much. The numbers are just going to get bigger. So basically, like with this one, this is where you really probably have to start getting out the calculator. You know that this is A, this is B, and that's C, so it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, 35 squared, I don't have that memorized, so I have to go to my calculator. So I hit my square button. All right, so that's actually 1,225. And 12 squared is 144. That one I have memorized. So now you take those two, I'm going to add those two together. Now I get this, I get 1369. I'm just going to double check that. And then I have to take the square root of that. Yep. And then we take the square root of that. And I end up with, if I can find my square root button on here. Where did it go? Shoot. Now I guess I got to change my modes. Nope, there it is. So it's 37. Okay? All right, so it's 37. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to do a part 2 for this video just to show you one other problem. All righty.